Bafana Bafana are high on confidence ahead of the first match of the 2026 FIFA World Cup qualifiers against Benin in Durban this weekend. South Africa, who are aiming for a return to the global showpiece for the first time since 2010, and they will be able to get that mission underway against the 93rd ranked West African countries at Moses Mabhida Stadium on Saturday at 3 p.m. They have missed the 3 World Cups since their participation on home soil, but Bafana Bafana goalkeeper Veli Motwa feels the current group of players assembled by coach Hugo Broos is good enough to book a ticket to the next event. The 2026 World Cup will be staged in Mexico, Canada, and the US, where it will expand from 32 to 48 participants, with 9 qualifiers from Africa and another place available via an inter-confederation playoff. Motwa believes the core of Bro's squad has been together long enough to become bounded into a competitive outfit, as indicated by their qualification for next year's African Cup of Nations. Hugo Boss' team has gone for more than a year without a defeat, though there have been some disappointing draws in that period. The last time Bafana Bafana lost was when they were beaten 2-1 by Morocco in their AFCON qualifier in Rabat in June last year. Motwa, the goalkeeper, said, "As the team the coach has assembled, it's important to qualify for the World Cup. We didn't qualify for the previous World Cup, but we want to play in that 2026 World Cup. The preparations are going well, especially now with the AFCON coming up. I can tell you that come 2026, Bafana Bafana will be in the World Cup." Motwa has called on supporters from KwaZulu-Natal to rally behind the national team when they face Benin. Bafana Bafana have been struggling to attract crowds at venues in Gauteng. Motwa also said to the KZN supporters, "I feel like you guys needed this, and so we are bringing this to you, and I know they are going to come out in numbers to support the national team because it has been so long since they have seen Bafana Bafana play at Moses Mabhida. Most of the time we play without supporters or fewer supporters than we expected, but the supporters play a big role for us. If they are there cheering us, it makes everything easy to win the games." After the game against Benin, South Africans will travel to Rwanda for their second Group C qualifier at the tiny 10,000-seat Stade High in Butare on Tuesday, 8 p.m. Nigeria, Zimbabwe, and Lesotho are the remaining teams in Group C. Please subscribe for more sports news.